proceed with the gun CRM, canal repositioning maneuver. Gun CRM is actually one of the good tests because I love to do this because the recurrent rate is quite low. And the recurrence for patient to have again is actually like 4 years. So this is very good. Compare and happily, the recurrence is very high and patient turn more possible to have the vertigo again, BPPV again, like 2 years. Alright, for gun CRM, it's going to be the same thing. You need to know whether the problem patients are right or left. So normally, I will advise to do this on my test. First, for example, if you do this on my test on the right, and you turn down like this, and let's say the results are positive, and then it shows rotary upbeating segment. So it shows this patient having right posterior canal BPPV. So you need to proceed with the treatments of the gun CRM. Okay, turn the head 180 degree. 180 degree and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, then turn your body. Okay, turn your body this way. Alright, then kneeling. Alright, good. Cantik. Good. Make sure head is down. This is the most important thing. Then, in this level, the difference between gun and apply, you need to shake. The shaking method is a very important where you need to make sure the confidence shaking, small angle shaking, because we need to avoid any what we call dislocation or anything on cervical. So you have to do like this, and you have to shaking downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the most important thing is better for you to hold and close the body and do like this, because in this way you're not going to hurt patient cervical. So once again, I show you. You need to hold your hand like this, close to your body, then shaking downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So wake up. Okay, you put the leg down. Alright, good. And wait. And that's all. So this is gun CRM. I really recommend